Here at GreenGeeks, WordPress works awesome. We offer a one-click installer with automatic updates, tons of developer tools like WP Staging, WP CLI, and Git, free WordPress migration, and access to award-winning expert support 24/7, 365. Plus, WordPress sites hosted on our platform are lightning fast. We use the latest speed technologies such as Lightspeed, MariaDB, SSD RAID 10 storage arrays, CDN, and Power Cacher, which further improves page load times of up to 120%. GreenGeeks is so fast that several third-party benchmark tests show our platform as one of the fastest WordPress hosting platforms available. What's more, GreenGeeks takes security seriously, giving you peace of mind with outstanding security features such as free Let's Encrypt Wildcard SSL, hosting account isolations, real-time malware detection, clustered threat analysis, and proactive server monitoring. GreenGeeks also provides scalability like no other host. With our platform, you don't need to upgrade to a VPS to get more resources. Instead, you can seamlessly add more computing resources while maintaining the fully managed shared hosting environment you love. Most importantly, GreenGeeks is the most eco-friendly WordPress web hosting company on the planet. In fact, we're 300% eco-friendly, which means the websites you host with us are 300% eco-friendly too. So if you want a fast, secure, scalable site that doesn't harm the environment, start hosting your WordPress site with GreenGeeks today. Together, we can make the internet greener.